Every day, a Haitian child is born with HPT, Haitian parent tenosis. There are no cure for this condition, as you are stuck with it for the rest of your life. The symptoms are no fun, no friends, no sleepovers, no name brand shoes, and most importantly, no career choice of your own. If you or someone you know is suffering from Haitian parent tenosis, please call the number below. Together, we can make a change and stop the constant batons and agenos. Call now, 1-800-HPT-CURE.